Hey, Chef. This is our home for tonight. What do you think? Can I come in? Nice. There should be. Chef, there's a ladder. Hey. Go all the way up to the loft. I guess someone's gonna sleep up here tonight. That might be me. If you want. Welcome to Paris. Cool cabin for the night there, Chevrolet. Where are you gonna sleep? Bed number 1? Bed number 2? We're up here at the bunk. There's even a sofa bed. Maybe that's what you prefer. Sit. That's a good boy word. Oh, right there on the floor is good. Okay. Right here, Dad. Home sweet home for the night, Chevrolet. Good job. This is Daddy's bed. Well, Chef, final day of hotel stays, 3 nights, all 3 different. How'd you like this one? Log cabin. Go home today? Go back home? Long drive. You'll be driving all day long. Okay? All wrapped it up. Okay, me too. Let's go.